welcome to the art studio. So today I'm trying out some products I just got in the mail, and they are sacks of True Flow acrylics in metallic. So they have some beautiful colors, and I'm going to see how they mix up with our flow mix that I usually use. You'll see the recipe at the end of this video. And today I'm going to do a purple and silver, a second color of purple that is not this brand, and a raspberry, all in an open cup pour on a square canvas today. All right, so let's try. So I have prepared my canvas by spraying the back with water to make sure it's tight, placing tape and push pins, and I'm ready to roll. I'm going to put white on the background of this one. I'm going to make sure that everything is level. This seems a little bit, like it might be a little bit thick. I think I'm going to start somewhere around right there. Before I start tilting, I want to show you this beautiful purple. I'm not sure if you're able to see this adequately on the camera, but this Saks premium acrylic metallic paints are just fabulous. So let's check those out if you get a chance. All right, I think that we've got some cells that have come up. That's nice. Get everything nice and loose. You're going to come up this way first and then tilt off maybe some of this covered up bubbles. We'll see. There is no silicone in this at all. So some of these colors should be popping up through though, just because it's metallic. So we're going to come down this way. And over. There we go. Now this would be cool to leave this just like this, but I do want to get rid of some of that. And then bring it back. I lost my pen. That's not good. So I don't kind of don't like that white, so I'm just getting rid of that. And let's see what we ended up with. Okay, what looks like our silver kind of mixed in a little bit. We've got some white peeking through here and there. I'll bring it down this way just a little bit. I think I want to get rid of a little bit of that gray that's there. There we go. A little bit on the edge is good, but not as much as I had. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful, especially with this a whole lot of purple on this one end. All right, so let me get my gloves taken care of over here, and I will bring you in closer. To see the metallic shining in this painting, yet when it's dry it should look a little shinier, but it has a lot of metallics that I can see. And I have some places coming up. I realized that when I thought I was putting in some white, I was putting in cell activator, so we're going to have some little bubbles like that come up. I hope that doesn't ruin the painting too much. We'll see when it's finished drying. But I do thank you for watching today.